Lisa's over here like frantically typing on her computer. I'm like, what you doing? She's like, I'm just trying to get a couple of things done. I'm like, but what you doing?
You know, maybe some personal things, you know, shopping a little. Did you see everything on sale today?
Yes, amazing. Hi guys. As promised, Debbie's already on the board. Hello. Good to see all of you. Hey Maria, hello. Bugging Lisa.
Not at all.
I'm going to plop down right next to you and say hello.
I have no shoes on.
True. Am I allowed to show your cute feet? She's got cute socks on though.
Aren't they cute?
This is our view.
Right there.
Watching a little Kansas City.
Oh my gosh,
and,
I want a steak.
Yeah, I know, I want a steak too. Hey Noelle, hi Patricia, hi Lydia. Kimberly's here, Mary, Jean, John Brady. Chiming in from Philadelphia. Hi John Brady, good to see you, my friend. Karen Fawn are on the board.
Kay Fawn?
Hey Fawn, hello. Hey Mary, getting ready for our big show. I know she is. Morgantown, West Virginia. Every time I see you, Michael, you make me smile. Were you going to say something?
How close was Morgantown, West Virginia to where you went to college?
20 minutes. Like, it's like Morgantown is here, and then Buchanan is like 20 minutes.
Was that the name of the town, Buchanan?
Buchanan.
How do you spell that?
Buckhannon. Anything else? Like, I'm feeling a little pressure right now.
Since Kay Fawn won the spelling bee in Mississippi, usually one of the words.
Yeah.
Was it Mississippi?
Mississippi.
I think it was, right?
There's actually a very funny joke that we learned when we like first went there. So people say Buchanan, but it's really Buckhannon. So it was like a husband and a wife were arguing over whether it was Buckhannon or Buchanan, and Buckhannon or Buchanan. And finally they pulled over and they walked up and they said to the young girl who was working, can you tell me, where are we right now? And she said, Dairy Queen. All right, you guys don't really want to hear my terrible dad jokes, do you? I messed it up because you're supposed to say it nice and slow. Where are we? And she's like, Dairy Queen. Oh, no, but when I come into the light, I look like about 15 years younger. Well, hello, everyone. Okay, as promised, I actually have to say, I think one of the best shows, amazing lineup that we have had as we're kicking off our 20th anniversary. I gotta stop saying kicking off because we've kicked off, okay? Ooh, that light is bright. Who wants to see the new? Whoop, whoop. Who wants to talk about the hour show? Whoop, whoop. 4 o'clock Eastern time. 5 brand new items. Things you have never seen before. Getting very choked up. Bringbacks are nostalgic items. I am just like so excited about it. I hope you will be too. Brand new launches. Like, woo! All right, let's get started. I can't wait to show you this. Do you guys remember our sculptural chicken baker? Our little rooster baker? Look who we brought back. Look who's flown back into the coop. If you guys had not seen it, the tail created the handle, so did the head here, and then beautifully hand-painted 2-quart baker of our classic pattern that you see there, rope detail, and the lid is what it is all about. Talk about an amazing gift. Talk about having roosters as prosperity and good luck in your kitchen. He is a bring back, but here's the scoop. When we do a nostalgic item and we bring something back, it is what we like to say a one and done, meaning we will not do him again. His item number is, drum roll, by the way, none of these are available until the start of the show at 4 p.m. Eastern time with Kirsten and myself. So, K52089, under $40 for a 2-quart lidded figural rooster baker. Then we also have our rooster ramekins, which I think are so adorable. 8 ounces in total capacity, and they're K51253. Then we go to the stackables. These have only been on one other time, and we sold like a crazy amount. Do you know these work out to be $6.19? They are, that was an extreme close-up, 22 ounces in total capacity. They stack right here on your countertop, which I love. Vertical storage, sign me up. I have no room. Margaret, take my money, please. Margaret, I say that kind of stuff all the time. Like, where do I send it? Where do I send it? So I am in love with this item. 4 soup bowls that are just fantastic. So this is K53951. By the way, everything is on sale the entire hour. Mostly everything on Temptations on QVC is on sale, up to 30% off. And it runs until tomorrow evening, I believe at 11:59 p.m. But don't wait in the show, because the new that we brought in, we don't have a ton of it. And what we have is what we have. We don't have reorders on behind it yet, okay? So, and basically based on the supply chain issues and all of that, we most likely, it would be a struggle to try to get back into it, but you know we always do. We always try. All right, so soup mugs, sorry, I derailed for a second. $6.19. Then guess what's back after selling out? You guys, I'm gonna say we probably get about 15 questions a week. Happy Sunday, Lisa LaSorte.
Happy Sunday.
We probably get 15 asks a week for our Lazy Susan. When is it coming back? When is it coming back? When is it coming back? Well, it's back after selling out completely in its debut. And we have so many fun colors. I'm just showing you the green here. This is like Kirsten's pick of the show. We'll share this for 12 minutes with all of you. This is a big deal. Not really a big deal, but a big deal. Somebody mentioned doodle doo. Anyway, item number is K51245. Okay.
You okay?
Well, I had to take a breath because now I'm sharing our cast iron.
Oh.
Our first ever cast iron piece. And I have to say, you guys, I think we outdid ourselves. It's just under 4 quarts. You have that beautiful scalloped bottom detail there, which, why do you do that? Because it forces the heat distribution, which is already amazing on cast iron, up the sides. We have our beautiful pattern there, helper handles here on the side, and this gorgeous cast iron enameled lid where I even did a beautiful kind of floral detail that's actually embedded in that gorgeous cast iron and the finial. This, you guys, is a work of art, okay? I want to show it to you in gray. I know I went a little aggressive there, but this is so beautiful, and I am so proud of it. And here's the scoop. When you're going to debut a brand new kind of cooking material, cast iron, our grandmothers, their grandmothers, cast iron has been around forever. We worked with the leading manufacturer of cast iron to bring you what I think is absolutely hands down gorgeous. And ready for this? It's under $60. Yeah, exactly. Sign me up. Whoever said take my money, take my money. Okay, K51931. And we have it in a great color, so you're definitely going to want to check that out. It's got enameling on the inside, which is going to, of course, help with it being naturally non-stick. And you don't have to pre-season. Can I get an amen? You don't have to Lisa, amen. Just keep doing your personal stuff over there, all right? All right. Then look at how awesome these insulated mugs came out. You guys, so in love. 14 ounces. You're getting a set of 2, clear top, 12 hours cold, 6 hours hot. Sign me up. You're getting 2 of the red doodle doo.
I'm sorry, how many?
2 of the gray damask, 2 of the confetti, 2 of the blue, 2 of the green, 2 of the black. These are faboo. I am so excited about these. No way these are gonna last, like not even a little bit. K57621. They're $26.86. They're a little over $13 a piece for a 14-ounce double-walled stainless steel mug with all of our gorgeous pattern and detail. Oh, hey, Lise, what do you get, a snack?
I'm showing the fridge.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming for you, sister. I'm coming for you, okay? But I couldn't be more excited about that. Drying mats are back. We have them in yellow. We have them in romance. This is one of my most favorite things to share with all of you. Huge sizes. 18 by 16 is the small. 24 by 18 is the large. K51221. These are faboo. I put them under all my appliances.
Love those.
Carolyn Costanza. Those mugs are adorable. Thanks, friend. And the gray damask is the bomb. I love you guys. You're amazing.
This is good.
So good, right? Okay. And then let's talk kitchen storage. Another request that I get from all of you, and hello to the almost 400 of you who are jumping on for item numbers and sneak peeks of what's coming up at 4 o'clock. What, you didn't like that? Hi. Oh, yeah. Innocent flower. What are you doing?
Too much highlighter under my eyes. I just saw that.
I told you, come into the light. It's so much better over here. All right, kitchen organization, refrigerator storage, but truly you can use these everywhere around the home. But just take a peek what we did here. We have a set of 2 medium and large storage containers, okay? Where we have completely organized our condiments, we've stored our eggs. We have 16 sticks, thank you, Lise. We have 16 sticks of butter. Can you take one of them out? I wanna show them the bottom. And I lined them with a silicone liner that has our pattern on it. So you can pull that liner out when you wanna go ahead and wash it.
Oh, please.
It's not, it's the first time you do it, it's like suction down.
That's actually great. So it doesn't like.
And by the way, Lisa's showing you the small one. They have helper handles here on the side. I told you it was suction down. You think it was going to be so easy?
No, I'm not kidding. This is fabulous.
I kind of told you.
Whoever designed this, we should let them know they did a good job.
Yeah, I'll get right on that. Okay, I'm back on me now.
And this goes
You said whoever designed it. I had to turn it around.
Top rack in the dishwasher,
Top
right?
rack in the dishwasher.
And this is
silicone,
hand wash.
Hand wash. And here's the scoop. You can use those silicone for your cookware and all the different things you want to put in there.
Upset. Look how easy that was.
Valerie said, thanks for bringing the mugs in green. Valerie, don't wait. We don't have a lot of green, okay? Don't wait. We don't have a lot of green. Exactly.
Or
so
run, don't walk.
It's a run, don't walk kind of moment. So here we organized our vegetables, our fruits. Here we have our cheeses or like our charcuterie board. I love that we have 16 sticks of butter. These are so great. You're getting both, guys. They're under $22. As a matter of fact, $21.48. First time we've ever done like fridge storage, but I also love this in my bathroom for all of my hair products, my makeup products, because you can remove that silicone bottom and wash it. Like, come on, super easy, super easy. They have, hold that right there, Elise. They have feet right there on the bottom, like little grippers. So again, if you have that rim in the back of your, it's gonna yell at me. If you have that rim in the back, it fits right over that rim, so you don't have to worry about that. Holy Merd. Kat, hold on a second. I love you so much right now. My grandmother used to say merde, merde, which you know means S-H in French. And it was how she said good luck. It's how she said good luck. So she'd be like, merde, merde. And I was always like, so strange. So anyway, Kat, thank you. I feel like my grandmother is here with me right now. And I miss her dearly. So you just gave me a very big smile. So thanks, Graham. I know that was you just checking in.
That's actually awesome.
Microfiber towels. Wait, did I give you the item number on the kitchen storage? I don't think so. K60443. And then Lisa's going to demo the microfiber towels. So you're going to get 6 of the washcloth styles, which by the way, I love these for all of my glasses. When you can't get a sponge in somewhere, I use these all the time. I use them to take my makeup off, get lipstick off of glasses. And then we have the large ones. So 2 of the, you're awesome. 2 of the large ones and 6 of the washcloth ones. Obsessed
really
with these. And yes, we did it. I miss my grandma too. Aww. Thanks, Allison. And then we did it in the gray damask as well. So you're definitely going to want these. Another brand new item, K60565. And then last but not least, your last look for the entire year at our super duper popular bakeware set. I love this set. I actually bought it in white woodland, and I of course have it in confetti as well. So 3-quart oval, 2-quart oval, 8x8 baker, elongated 2-quart baker with the tray. But here's the scoop. No reorder this year. These are the final quantities this year. So you're definitely going to want to check those out. So I know a lot of you are asking what time, 4 p.m. Eastern on QVC. And here is from the drying mats to the bakeware, to the brand new insulated mugs, to our stackables, to our first ever cast iron piece, to our microfiber towels, our Lazy Susan coming at you, our fridge storage, and our nostalgic cock-a-doodle-doo! Baker back. Back, baby, back. But that also is one of those where it is one and done. So it is a nostalgic piece. Can I repeat the cast iron? Absolutely. The cast iron, and it's a Dutch oven, obviously, just under 4 quarts, is K51931. And I'll just give you another quick sneak peek because this is so stunning. Gorgeous embedded pattern there on the lid. Nice oversized finial. And thank you. Again, keeping moisture in because you have those drip spots that you see there, which is fantastic. Helper handles here on the side, under $60, enameling on the inside, which means it's going to be naturally non-stick and you don't need to pre-season it. And then the way I designed it with those bump outs there forces the heat up the sides. The lid forces the heat down, so you get that perfect, beautiful. We're gonna sear some short ribs.
Yes.
I know what I'm having for dinner, and hubby doesn't eat it, so yeah. And Lisa and I are doing our scoop Fritos and our red wine. She doesn't know that, but after every show, that's what we do. All right, you guys, couldn't be more excited. See you at 4 o'clock. We are on In the Kitchen with David one more time in about 45 minutes with our dinnerware. If you haven't seen our Hello Yellow dinnerware, our gray floral lace, definitely check it out. It's on sale. It's under $60 for 16 individually hand-painted pieces. All right. Woo, I need to go lay down. See you at 4 o'clock. None of the new, all 5 of them will not be priced until 4 p.m. Eastern time, and the sale runs until 11:59 Monday evening p.m. So why wouldn't you get these while they're on sale? All right, join Kirsten and me. Sure to be a great time. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye.